All right, legends, here we go. Is this the best gardening hack you will see on the internet today? Let's find out. So I have just over a 1 meter deep auto bin. It is full of leaves and whatnot, and I have my Echo line trimmer out and I am gonna break it all down. Now, in real time, this took me 2 minutes and 20 seconds, so it's not really that much of a long time. Now, I understand there's other ways to do this. You can run your lawnmower over it or whatnot, but sometimes people want to try different things or don't have the right tools for it. So check that out. That has broken down majority of that, and there's not any mess, which is fantastic. So I'm just going to chuck it straight back onto the garden bed. It's fantastic nutrients for the soil, lawn, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. What do you reckon, legends? Let me know in the comments, or do you just think that was a waste of time? Either way, best way to support my page, hit that follow button and let me know what you want to see in the next video.